Co-founder of Authentic Education and also head of marketing. I want to quickly run you through the Digital Marketing Made Easy program, give you a demo and a tour so you see what it's all about and how it can help you. So when you first log in, and by the way, you can log into this program that we're seeing now on your Mac, PC, tablet, iPhone, Android. We've even got an app for it too. So there's a few welcome videos, a quick website tour, where you go for support, and then we start to look at the strategy. So it doesn't matter what type of business you have. I've set strategies for people who have a service-based business, product-based business, education, people who want to turn marketing into a career or business, network marketing, etc. But it doesn't matter what type of business you have or if you're working for someone else, I recommend you start here on this video. This video is about 18 minutes long. When I hit play, you'll hear my voice in the background.
Export it as an image.
So I'm going to hit pause and I'm just going to turn my voice down because you don't want to hear two of me, do you? This video is about 18 minutes. So most of the videos on Digital Marketing Made Easy are in between 10 to 20 minutes, very roughly. And there's over 70 of them and I keep adding to them as time goes on. All of the videos, or 90% of the videos, are of my screen, and then you can see my cursor highlighted in yellow. So if I hit play, you can see my cursor there on the video. It will move as time goes on. And I teach you how to do things totally from scratch. So you don't have to think about not knowing or have any prior experience or anything like that. In this example, I say that it doesn't matter what type of business you have. We always need marketing methods. We always need to ask for people's time, and we always need to present an offer. So the main action happens in this menu option here that says methods. So out of all the marketing methods I've tried over the last decade, I've spent over $1 million of my own personal money on Facebook ads, over $1 million in other forms of marketing. Here are the only 7 I recommend. Doesn't matter if you've got a low ticket item, high ticket item, B2B, B2C, if you're selling education, products. I've helped sell real estate, wineries. I've worked with the Grounds of Alexandria, helped them sell catering now with the coronavirus, weddings. It doesn't really matter. The rules of marketing don't change. So there's 7 of them. Most people buy the program simply just for Facebook ads and my support. The Facebook ads section is quite in depth. I'm also a Facebook certified professional planner, which means I get mentored by Facebook and I'm licensed to teach Facebook ads to people. So I teach you from scratch, all the way from creating and setting up your Facebook ads account. You can see here, if I hit play on this video, once again, I've turned the sound off though. This one is 13-minute video, totally from scratch, how to set it up properly. A lot of people don't realize if you set up the wrong way, like I did, I've got 2 Facebook ad accounts, you got to redo it. Because when I first set it up, I had the wrong currency and time zone. It just threw everything out. So how to set up your Facebook ads properly, how to place your first ad. So once again, all the way from scratch, what campaign objectives to set up, how to do all of the bells and whistles. So as an example, if I pause right here in this video, I'm saying your potential reach for this particular ad. We want to have about a $1 Facebook ad budget for every 1,000 people you have a potential reach. That's kind of the sweet spot that I've tested out over the years. But I let you in on all of the things that I've learned, such as, what should your standard click-through rate be? What you'd be paying for cost per click? What you should be paying for this thing called CPM, which is cost per 1,000 impressions. Next, we go to audiences. So there's many different types of audiences people don't even know about. You should be installing the Facebook Pixel. It's this techie thing you need to do. Saved audiences, custom audiences, and then the pista resistance, so to speak, which is lookalike audiences. This is essentially cheating. You say to Facebook, here's my ideal clients that I've already had in the past through either visitors to my website, Facebook page likes, and just go out and find me 100,000 more people who look like my best clients, even customers who have bought before. So I teach you all the ins and outs and how to do that, how to spy on your competition, how to write your Facebook ad. There's a whole bunch of things here, 16, or there's even more, 17 different videos here. If anytime you get stuck and you want to search for something, there's a magnifying glass at the top. So you could say, oh, Facebook Pixel, what's that all about? And then here are all the different videos that I've done on Facebook Pixel. So that's just Facebook ads on its own. I teach LinkedIn ads, social media, email and SMS, event marketing, Google search, how to get to the top of Google. Like if you go here and type in something on Google like accept credit cards, a very high searched for term because all these people are placing ads. I ranked #1. This is actually a blog post that I wrote, authentic.com.au, and I show you how I did that. A funny tongue-in-cheek thing I did was if you Google something like most handsome marketer in the world. I'm also number one on that. Most handsome marketer in the world. This is a blog post and I'm there first at the beginning. So anyways, we digress. So the 7 marketing methods I recommend, including Google Ads, I update all of these methods regularly. So I update them regularly. This should be the last marketing program you ever need to purchase. There's a whole bunch of bonuses, anywhere from how to create a website from scratch, how to create a Zoom account and set up a Zoom meeting, because that is involved a lot of times for people in marketing as well, how to create a landing page, do a testimonial, getting a 1-300 number, copywriting, which is very important. It's fine for me to teach you how to place ads on Facebook, but how do you actually write copy, like copy on a blog post, video script, etc. Then mentorship. This is key. If a lot of people are diving into this technical world of digital marketing, but they don't have support of a mentor, they're, I wouldn't say doomed to fail, but they're doomed to do things through trial and error a lot. It's just a really slow way to progress. You can see here, I've done over 55 mentoring sessions with students. Very lately, I've been doing them entirely via Zoom since coronavirus has struck. So if I play here, you can see I've got a flip chart. I do a share screen as well. Each of them goes for at least an hour. So some of the students are asking questions about certain things, and I, instead of just talking about it, I'll run you through it. You can see if I keep scrolling through, you can see actual people there that I'm talking to. So as an example, this is a lady, I think her name was Helen. She was asking a question on certain things, and there is over 55 of those. I used to do them via audio, but lately I've been doing them via Zoom, as you can see here. I do them every fortnight. So I'm only ever about a week away or so. Like either you listened to me last week or you're going to listen to me next week, and you can ask me questions and get that handled in real time. Or about half the people just jump on just to listen to other people's questions, because after the event is over, I timestamp them, and any questions that I happen to answer, I go here. So then that's all searchable. So let's say someone is a foodpreneur. They were selling to supermarkets their specialty food. Chatbots. That means you can go up here and search for something in particular, like chatbot, and then it will come up when I answered that on July 15th, episode 54. So all of that is there. It's a one-stop shop for marketing. What I usually say to people is just take one marketing method at a time, and you can get a 500% return on every dollar you spend. This skill of marketing, it's really not that hard. If I show you step by step and you just kind of follow the yellow dot to success, so to speak, like you're seeing my yellow cursor right now, you can create entire campaigns from scratch in a couple of hours. You don't have to pay like another digital agency to do it. And you really shouldn't be doing that, because usually what happens is when you outsource your marketing, you outsource your income. You kind of want to have that skill in-house. So that's a rundown of Digital Marketing Made Easy program. I look forward to meeting you potentially in the future. Until we meet again, just remember, you don't have to get it right. You just have to get it started. Thanks for watching this demo.